So as we discussed, we need a contactor which have two terminal for coil voltage. One should be A1, another should be A2. Okay, so if we'll give the power supply to A1 and A2, then our contactor will be energized. Okay, so this is our contactor. Okay, so let's start. So we need one phase, one neutral. So this is neutral cable and this is phase cable. Okay, so to connect the on push button and off push button, okay, then what we will do, we will put a NC, okay, whose terminal number should be 1 and 2 for off push button. Off push button, off push button, I can write PB, that means push button. Okay, so this is for off push button, and for on push button you need a NO which terminal number should be 3 and 4. Okay, so this should be NO, that means on push button. Then we can directly connect with A1, and negative we can connect with A2. Okay, the thing is your contactor will latch but it will not hold. To hold the contactor, so you need a NO contact. Okay, a NO contact which is located in your contactor. Okay, so as we discussed on last video, there are 4 terminal, 13, 14, 21, 22. So let do here 13, this is 14, 21 and 22. Okay, so what we will do, 3 will be connecting with 13 and 4 will be connecting with 14. Okay, so once you have done this connection with your contactor, then your contactor will be working. Okay, so now we will discuss how to connect the overload relay or overload relay to protect our motor. So as we discussed, in overload relay there are 4 terminal. Okay, so let's see 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 terminal, and the number is 95, 96, 97 and 98. 95 and 96 is NC, 97 and 98 is NO. Okay, so how we will connect with our circuit? So as we discussed, 95 and 96 is our is controlling the circuit. That means the bimetallic strip will be in NC condition. In case of an overload, then it will be disconnected, our controlling circuit will be off. 97, 98 is for our tripping condition. In case of tripping condition, it will connect with our indication lamp or BMS devices. So how we will connect? Okay, so this is NC and this is NO. What we will do before off push button, what we will do, we will connect the main power supply, this is positive, with 95 and 96. Okay, in case of any overload delay, this is NC, then so it will convert to NO, that means the electricity will not pass from 96 to the off push button. That means